Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2016 Ford Focus Sport Hatch, stock reference number 4800. This shape runs from the 7th month 2015 through to the 11th month 2018. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, radiator grille. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage. Left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left sill skirt, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Right-hand side skirt. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, dual zone heater controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left-hand sun visor, right-hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.